Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of YouTube Shorts constantly appearing in your feed and distracting you every time you open the app, there's a simple setting you should know about. While YouTube doesn't currently offer a way to completely remove Shorts, it does let you limit how long you can watch them. By setting that limit to 0 minutes, you can significantly reduce the temptation to keep scrolling through endless short videos. The steps are almost the same on both Android and iPhone, so let's get started. First, open YouTube app on your smartphone, then at the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on your YouTube profile. Next, tap the settings icon in the top right corner until you find time management and open it. On some Android phones, this option may appear a little lower in the list, usually below languages, so if you don't see it immediately, once you're in the time management menu, scroll down until you find Shorts feed limit, turn this option on, then set the limit to 0 minutes. That's all you need to do. Now go back to the YouTube home screen and refresh your feed. From this point on, if you try to open YouTube Shorts, you'll see a message saying you've reached your Shorts time limit. You can choose to ignore the limit if you really want to continue watching, or simply go back to the Home tab and continue watching regular videos instead. This setting is especially useful if you find yourself spending too much time scrolling through Shorts without even realizing it. It's a simple way to reduce distractions, stay focused, and make YouTube a little less addictive. Keep in mind that YouTube may still display Shorts in certain places within the app, since there's currently no official option to remove them completely. However, setting the Shorts feed limit to 0 minutes is one of the easiest ways to discourage endless scrolling. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below letting me know if this setting worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.